Hey guys, so this is my intro and it's terrible and I'm sorry, but this is what we're getting today and in a couple videos from now as well. So today I have the Fright Night collection from Painted Polish. There are 6 polishes here altogether. These are available right now, so I will link the Painted Polish website down below. I have a coupon code for Painted Polish that I'll put like somewhere over here and down in the description box. That's good on individual shades, not on full collection sets because those are already discounted. 6 polishes altogether, and I will get into the swatches. So first things first, I'm only swatching on one finger today because I have some nail art that took me a really long time on my other fingers, and I only wanted to take it off of one finger and have to redo it. So one finger swatches, which I actually kind of dig, so don't hate me if I start doing this more regularly. And I am swatching over some gel extensions, a nude gel polish, and a layer of hard gel. This first polish is called Ghoul Squad, and this is described as purple and black metallic flakies in a white curly base. I have said this 1,000 times before, but Painted Polish has the absolute best curlies that I have ever used. So this is perfect as far as the base goes. It's not too opaque where it hides the flakies. It's not so sheer that it's hard to build up. It built up completely for me in 2 coats, and those flakies stood out very, very nicely. Also, because these are flakies, they're not going to be super textured like a glitter, but you might still get some like on your skin when you're taking the polish off. So that is 2 coats of Ghoul Squad. This next polish is called Children of the Candy Corn, and this is orange and gold metallic glitters in a white curly base. Another perfect curly. Just like I said for the last polish, the curly base in here is the perfect balance of sheer enough to show the glitter, but opaque enough to cover well in 2 coats, which is exactly what I used here. Now this is glitter. This is not like the flakies, so this is going to be a little bit more textured and a little bit more difficult to remove, but just treat it like you would any other glitter. A peel-off base coat, maybe a little bit of a harsher remover to help you get it off easily. It's glitter, you know. So that is 2 coats of Children of the Candy Corn. The next polish is called Pick of the Patch, and this is purple, green, and black metallic flakies in a tiger orange curly base. This, like all the others, has a really good formula. It levels itself out very nicely, and I only needed 2 coats for it to be fully opaque. However, I will say that I think the color of this base and the purple flakies kind of compete with each other, and the color of the base wins. So I don't see a lot of the purple coming out in this one on my nails, but other than that, good polish. So that is 2 coats of Pick of the Patch. The next polish is called Orange You Scared, and this is purple, green, and black metallic flakies in a dark orange curly base. This one performed exactly the same as the last polish, leveled itself out very nicely, just good formula in general. Now this one, the color of the base I don't think competes with the purple flakies quite as much, but it does take a little bit of the edge off of the green, if that makes sense. All the colors stand out better in this one than they did in the last one, but I do feel like they're all just a little bit dulled by the base. That's just me being picky about flaky color. I'm a white curly person, so I just personally don't think that these orange curlies are really my jam. So that is 2 coats of Orange You Scared. The next polish is called That's the Spirit, and this is described as a champagne mix of gold and silver reflective glitters, pink galaxy holographic glitters, and micro holographic flakies in a gray curly base. The base on this one was a little bit sheer. Now I've got these gel extensions on with a base color under them, so it built up fine for me in 2 coats, but I think if you have a very white nail line, you might still be able to see a little bit of that through the polish. Other than that, formula on this was fantastic. It has a lot of glitter in it, but it isn't thick like a polish that would have a lot of glitter in it. So performance-wise, really good. I do think it's probably going to be a little bit sheer, again, if you have longer nails or a very white nail line. So that is 2 coats of That's the Spirit. And the last polish is called Wishful Thinking. This is described as a champagne mix of gold and silver reflective glitters, pink galaxy holographic glitters, and micro holographic flakies in a black jelly base. The base in this one has absolutely no issues with being sheer. Formula-wise, this performed the same way. It's got a lot of glitter in it, so it is going to be textured and difficult to remove, but it doesn't apply like it has a lot of glitter in it, meaning it's not really thick at all. Jelly base is nice, just opaque enough to give you good coverage, but not lose any of that glitter, so it covered completely for me in 2 coats. So that is 2 coats of Wishful Thinking. Let's talk favorites. No one at all should be surprised that Ghoul Squad is my favorite. I love Painted Polish's white curlies. I love teeny tiny flakies, and I really like the purple and black in this one. And Children of the Candy Corn comes in as a very close second because again, it's a white curly and I love it. I just think I like the flakies in Ghoul Squad a little bit more than just glitter in this one. So that is the Painted Polish Fright Night collection. Again, I will link that website down below where you guys can check those out, as well as my coupon code, which is up here and in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.